Hi everyone and welcome back, or if you're new here then hi, I'm Shreya and this is a vlog. Now I really don't know what I'm going to do in this video. This is totally unplanned and unfiltered. I don't usually make vlogs, तो मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या करूँगी इसमें. I don't usually make vlogs because I feel my life is not that exciting and it's just the same thing that I do every day. But today or maybe tomorrow is going to be an exciting day and that really doesn't happen with me. So basically I'm going out with my friends on a staycation. So I am a little excited about it, like just a little, okay? Zyada nahi. So in this video I just thought randomly that I'll show you what all I'm packing and how I'm packing, if that even makes any sense. And of course I don't look like this at home. I was just making another video and I'm shooting this in the midnight, मतलब अभी 1 बज रहे हैं शायद रात के. So I really need to finish it off so that I can sleep and wake up tomorrow on time. Enough of blabbering, let's begin. कंफर्टेबल क्लोथिंग एंड आई थिंक अब पैक करना स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज बहुत लेट हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ द करंट सिचुएशन ऑफ द रूम. एवरीथिंग इज so messy. By the way, I want to talk about this bag. So this is the bag that I'm taking and it's like my favorite bag. So a little information about this bag. ये बैग काफ़ी नया है बट काफ़ी पुराना है. As in I bought this in 2020. तब Amazon पे सेल चल रहा था and उससे जस्ट पहले मैं एक ट्रिप पे गई थी and at that time I wished that oh my god I really wanted to have a bag like that. So ट्रिप से आने के बाद I bought this bag and I thought 2020 is a new year so I'll get to travel a lot and it will be fun and whatnot, but that never happened and I'll be using this bag for the second time. इससे पहले मैंने बस एक बार यूज़ किया है. So yeah, in fact ये बैग खो गया था, मुझे इसे ढूंढने में 1 घंटा लगा है, but I made sure that I'll find it and I'll use it to its fullest. Now this is the another bag that I'm taking. I can keep all my essentials in it like phone charger, lipstick, wallet, etc. So I have categorized everything in 5 categories. किन order में मेरे को सामान रखना है, सब कुछ क्या करना है. So number 1 is electronics, very important. Number 2 clothes, of course, most important. Third shoes and fourth personal and miscellaneous things. And fifth, जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा important है, वो मैंने last में लिखा है, that is ID proof and my document. Wow, so intelligent. So these are all the clothes that I am taking. You can exclude this because ये मैं सुबह पहनूंगी. So whenever I'm packing something, I have learned this new technique. ये मैंने पिछले 2-3 बार से यूज़ किया है and really works. So basically जो भी कपड़े हैं वो हमको ट्विस्ट और फोल्ड करके रखना है. इससे क्या है कि I have noticed, so it makes a lot of space in the bag and also your clothes still remain ironed with that. I've already tried it multiple times and I'm still going to pack it in a similar way. Now this is the skirt. इसको भी मैं similar way में fold करूँगी. I'll just twist it and roll it all together. See, there is still so much space left in the bag. Now I'm taking all my accessories. I'm using this Urbanic वाला Ziploc bag जो मैंने last video में बताया था that I will reuse and I am reusing it. So I'm going to keep all my accessories in it क्योंकि plastic bag है तो it's just good to keep it. किसी काम तो आए plastic. So I just found this Shein Ziploc bag और ये Urbanic वाले से थोड़ा बड़ा है साइज़ में, तो इसमें मेरे सारे शूज़ फिट हो जाएंगे आई थिंक. I'm in a dilemma, like I just realized that I want to take 4 shoes for a 1-day trip. I know it is wrong on so many levels. देखा जाए तो ज़रूरत नहीं है, but I'll show you like what exactly am I thinking. So these are my chappals for obvious bathroom purposes. Next ये heels हैं because obviously ये heels है. Next ये flats क्योंकि flats भी होने ही चाहिए. I cannot roam around in heels all day. Then I have these metallic flats that can go with a dress of mine that I might wear. Now you see I have valid reason to carry all of them. I think I'm the queen of overpacking and I'm not even ashamed of that. Also, it is okay to have extra clothes than having regrets, right? कि अगर ये होता तो अच्छा होता, अगर वो होता तो अच्छा होता, सब ले लो. So I'm almost done with my packing. सब कुछ मेरे बैग में fit आ गया है and I don't think anything is left. By the way, I wanted to do my nails. This is how they look right now. Just have to cut my nails because they look very bad. Because ये पूरे purplish से हो रखे हैं. The previous nail polish that I had was purple. So of course ये पूरा purple हो रखा है. And about these nails, these ones I got from Shein. I think जब Shein था. Again, like very old but new. I have never used them, so I'm planning to use them tomorrow. Also, I got this nail glue because जो पहले वाला था वो सूख गया. Of course, 2 साल पहले का. उस टाइम पे I think I was just really obsessed with nail extensions and stick-on nails. तो मेरे को जो पसंद आया मैंने सब ले लिया. And after a point of time, I just got bored. तो ये रह गए. But I think now it's the right time to use it. So I think I'm done with my packing. काफ़ी सामान डल चुका है and बाकी I'm just left with my nails as I said. So maybe I'll see you in the morning.
One eternity later.
If she freaked out